Dear learners, I hope you are well. You are welcome from the online class of Abdul Aziz High School. My name is Azizul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Business Studies of this school. Today I am going to take an English class of class 7. If you connect with me, you will learn many things to these topics. At first, look at the blackboard. Here is a passage. You read the passage below and understand the underlined words. Musa Ibrahim is the first Bangladeshi who reached the summit of Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. He had a dream to win Mount Everest. He got advanced mountaineering training from Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling, India. Dear learners, you will see the first letter of Musa is capital letters. On the other hand, if you see the word Bangladesh, here you will see the first letter of B is capital letter. So, today we are going to discuss about the capitalization. Capitalization. If you want to proper use of capital letters, you will have to follow the certain rules. Without knowing this rule, you will not success the capitalization. So, you will follow the rules of capital letters and you will practice it. A sentence begins with capital letters. If you write a sentence in your page, at first you have to use capital letters. That means the sky is cloudy. Here T is capital letters. For example, Kamal is a good boy. Here you will see the first letter of Kamal is capital letter. So, the rules of capitalization is a sentence begins with capital letters. The first word of quoted sentence begins with capital letters. For example, father said the earth is round. On the other hand, the teacher said always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. Proper noun begin with capital letters. Proper noun means names of people, specific momentums, cities, states, etc. Names of people, that means race. Specific moments, cities or states. Always use capital letters, such as Kamal took her to Dhaka. Here, Dhaka is a proper noun, and the first word of Dhaka, D is capital letter. So, proper noun begins with capital letters. Any cities or states, for example, Bangladesh, Japan, India. Proper noun cities, for example, Dhaka. States, India, Japan, etc. are proper nouns. The position of high ranking government officials begins with capital letters. The position of high official ranking in government, for example, President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice, Attorney General, these are the position of high government officials. You always use this word capital letters, such as President Abdul Hamid, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Attorney General Mahbub Alam, etc. are the high ranking government officials, and this word begins with capital letters. The pronoun I is always capitalized whenever if it is used. Pronoun I is always capital letters. For example, I am going to market. Here I is capital letters. The first and any important word in the letter of a book, magazine, song, movie, etc. begins with the capital letters. For example, I read the Ognivina. Here Ognivina is capital letters. Daily Star, Gitanjali, these words will always begin with capital letters. I am expect from you that you follow this rule and practice it in your home. If you practice it regularly, you will success the use of capitalization. Now, your homework is Mahmuda is an intelligent girl. She reads in class 7. The name of her school is Kusumpur High School. Her favorite subject is English. She has one sister named Lubna. They live in Kusumpur, a village in Bogura. Read the following passage and rewrite it using capital letters where necessary. It is your homework. Today, I am also discuss about the punctuation. You will open your textbook, page number 131. Here, once a lion, a fox, and a wolf went hunting. They ultimately spotted a stag and killed him for their food. While sharing the hunt, quarter me the stag, rode the lion and other animals, skinned and cut the spoil into 4 equal parts. In the passage, there are some marks with the words. These marks help us to understand the passage. These marks are the punctuation. Now we will discuss about the punctuation. Punctuation means comma, when we will find the same kinds of sentence, we will use comma after them. For example, I eat rice, fish, milk, etc. Here we will find 3 words such as rice, fish, milk. There we use comma after rice, fish, etc. You will also use comma after high ranking government officials. Where you will find active voice, you will use comma. For example, he said to me, I am speaking English. Here we use comma when another sentence is begun. Dear learners, today we discuss about capitalization and sample of punctuation. We will more discuss in the previous class, and you will always follow the rules of health, take balanced diet and stay at home. We will discuss in the another class. Okay.